In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Cpanel on Ionos. This task might seem daunting at first, but worry not. I'm here to guide you through every step of the way. By the end of this video, you'll be navigating your Ionos Cpanel with ease, setting the stage for managing your website's backend effectively. Let's kick things off by heading over to the Ionos website. It's pretty straightforward. Just open your preferred web browser and type in the Ionos URL, or simply search for Ionos in your search engine and hit enter. Upon landing on their homepage, your attention should be drawn towards the Sign In button prominently displayed. Click on that to proceed. After clicking on Sign In, you'll be presented with several options. You want to look for and click on the Customer Account option. This choice is designed to lead you directly into the area where you can manage your hosting services, among other things. So clicking on Customer Account is a crucial step. Now you'll be prompted to sign in. Yet again, click on the Sign In button. This might seem like a repetitive step, but it's Ionos ensuring the security and privacy of your account. They take these layers of verification seriously to protect your information. Next up, you'll need to enter your email address. Make sure to input the email address associated with your Ionos account. Accuracy here is key to ensuring a smooth login process. After you've entered your email, you'll click on the Next button. This is your first action towards accessing your account. Following the email input, it's time to enter your password. I cannot stress enough the importance of remembering the correct password. If you've forgotten it, don't panic. There are options to reset it, but that's a discussion for another time. For now, assuming you've got your password handy, type it in and then, you've guessed it, click Next. Once logged in, you're going to look for the hosting section on your Ionos dashboard. This part is crucial as it will lead you to the various web hosting services and features that you have at your disposal, including the much sought after Cpanel. Upon finding the hosting segment, give it a click. Navigating through Ionos' dashboard might seem complex at first, but it's quite intuitive once you get the hang of it. Look for your particular hosting package under this section. When you've located it, you'll see an option that reads Use Web Space. This is essentially your gateway to Cpanel, where all the magic happens. Go ahead and click on Use Web Space. Upon clicking that, you'll be directed to your Cpanel interface. The transition is usually smooth, but might take a few moments depending on your internet connection. Once there, you're all set. The Cpanel dashboard opens up a plethora of web management tools for you to use, from file management, database management, domain management, and much more. Now here's a pro tip. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the Cpanel interface. It's packed with features that can sometimes feel overwhelming, but knowing where everything is and what each tool does will significantly streamline your web management tasks. Another tip, ensure your Ionos account's email and contact details are always up to date. This way you won't miss out on any critical alerts or notifications regarding your account or services. And there you have it, an easy step-by-step guide on how to access Cpanel on Ionos. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and has demystified the process for you. Remember, managing your website's backend efficiently starts with harnessing the power of Cpanel. Feel free to replay this video if you need to review any steps, and don't hesitate to reach out in the comments section below if you have questions or need further clarification. Happy hosting, and I'll see you in the next video.